Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University of Blida 2 in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 13th lecture titled What is Coding and Programming? So I have divided my 13th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is coding and programming? What are the main benefits of learning coding and programming language activities, including your business, your built-in vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is coding and programming? Coding tells a machine which actions to perform and how to complete tasks. Programming languages provide the rules for building websites, applications, and other computer-based technologies. Each programming language helps humans accurately communicate with machines. By learning coding and programming, there are many benefits. First, improve your skills that help to implement new and creative ideas in personality. Also, develop new and creative software which can reduce the effort and burden in every sector for humans. Language activities, the word code as a noun, countable noun, and an uncountable noun, often in compounds. An uncountable noun in computing means a system of computer programming instructions. For examples, Malik wrote the computer code for the project. You only need you only need to add a few lines of code. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.